This is how to clean camera sensor. So first one is prepare the area. So of course, work in a clean dust-free room with a good lighting and a fully charged camera battery to keep the shutter open. Now, just simply enter sensor cleaning mode. So in the camera menu, select sensor cleaning and go to manual, and the mirror will lock up and the shutter will open. Now, you just simply start with a rocket blower. So hold the camera facing down and use a hand air blower, never canned air, to gently blow dust off the sensor. Now, you could also use sensor swabs if needed. So if dust remains, use a sensor swab with sensor safe cleaning fluid and gently swipe across the sensor in one smooth motion and the other way with a new swab. Now, you will just simply go ahead and inspect the sensor and take a test shot of a plain white wall or sky at f22. Zoom in if spots remain and just simply repeat carefully. And there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.